All right, YouTube time. All right, we got this little bar on the water, and they got this exhaust fan that's not working, and I hope it's just a belt because this is a little sketchy, and it's raining. It's raining and it's sketchy, snowing. Dude, I should have put you on my head. I got another guy with me here too. I guess just get... At least it's warm up here. Stand there. Hopefully it's just a belt. Oh, thank God. Oh, that pulley is polished.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Got any belts in your truck?
Big ones.
Well, it's a... Oh, let's see. Oh, the belt. There's pieces of belt stuck in the pulley. Look at that. Yeah. See that? There's a piece of belt there.
You got power off this thing right now?
Yeah. Let me see what I got on my truck. That's a 210. I think the smallest I got is a 220. There we go. Oh, that's ridiculous. All right, let me go see what I got on my truck. Let's see, I got a 4L210 is a A19. I got an AX20. We'll see if she works. Oh my Lord, who's calling me? It may be too big. Oh yeah, it's way too big. It's way too big.
Can I adjust this here?
No. Nope, nope, nope. That's the only thing I had on the truck.
Just pull that.
Can't. No, because that's attached to the shaft. The only way you can... Oh, wait a minute.
No. You take these out, slide. Tighten.
What, 9/16?
Yeah.
Half inch?
Yeah, I got in my bag right there. Got some.
Yeah, we'll just give it a quick adjustment. Oh, no, we see we got to do that one too right there.
Shouldn't have to.
Yeah, you got to slide the whole thing back. All right, let me go get half inch and we'll slide it on back. So we got it slid back. We just made a quick adjustment. Tightening her back up. You gotta tighten those bottom ones and they're good. Right. Good. Good. That one's a pain.
Yeah, they should give you a lot of space on these.
Oh yeah.
Always do.
Yeah, that thing's riding a little high in the pulley. But whatever. Give you some speed. Hopefully it's not over amping the motor. Don't be shy, just double check them again. So I don't feel like coming back up here. Wrong way. Oh.
Good.
Right. Wrenches. Put the top back on and right. Down we go. Oh. What?
These screws are scorching. Burning my hand.
Really?
There's 4 of them or what?
Yeah, there's 4. Dang it, these pockets suck. See your little screwdriver. Let me go turn it on. Jeez, this is sketchy. Sketchy. Alright. He's finishing up putting screws up there. We just started it up. It's good to go. He's getting down. See, that's real sketchy. Alright, let me get finished up. Well, that was kind of easy repair, but it was kind of sleeting, snowing. It's nasty. It's crazy. Just this last weekend, it was, I don't know, in the 80s in Michigan. It's, I don't even know what today's date is, April 17th. So, yeah, the last weekend it was 80s, and now today I think the high is going to be 41. So it's stupid weather in Michigan. What are you going to do? But that was kind of easy repair, but I didn't have the right size belt. I needed a A19. I had an AX20. So we just kind of moved it, tightened it up, good to go. Real simple repair. I try to carry a few of those small belts on the truck. It depends, you know, I mean, sometimes I have it, sometimes I don't, and if I needed something I could run down the street and grab it. It's not a big deal. But yeah, just a quick exhaust fan repair for a little bar in the water, and that's it. Just remember, hit up the GoFundMe for my son fighting cancer. It's been a long road so far. We're in a week. I think we're coming up on week 9. I just posted an update for week 8. And if you can, hit up the GoFundMe. I appreciate it. But that is it for this one. And we are going to be off to the next one. And it's really kind of strange because, you know, this weekend it was hot and we're getting no AC calls when it's 40 degrees outside. I don't know how many of those we're going to do today, but it is what it is. All right, guys, I will see you on the next one.